Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Present continuous. Interrogative sentences. Are you doing?
Todos los verbos deben terminar en in.
Structure. Verb to be plus subject plus verb in gerund plus complement plus closing question mark. Questions and answers. Examples. Are you enjoying it?
Are you enjoying it?
Are you enjoying it?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Is your Spanish getting better?
Is your Spanish getting better?
Is your Spanish getting better?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
It's getting better every day.
It's getting better every day.
It's getting better every day.
What's happening?
What's happening?
What's happening?
Nothing.
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 Is it snowing?
Is it snowing?
Is it snowing?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm doing my homework.
I'm doing my homework.
I'm doing my homework.
Are you feeling okay?
Are you feeling okay?
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine, thanks.
Yes, I'm fine, thanks.
Yes, I'm fine, thanks.
Is it raining?
Is it raining?
Is it raining?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
The sun is rising.
The sun is rising.
The sun is rising.
Why are you wearing a hat?
Why are you wearing a hat?
Why are you wearing a hat?
Because it's very hot.
Because it's very hot.
Because it's very hot.
What's John doing?
What's John doing?
What's John doing?
He's studying for his exams.
He's studying for his exams.
He's studying for his exams.
Is he working today?
Is he working today?
Is he working today?
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
Are you going now?
Are you going now?
Are you going now?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Are you waiting for me?
Are you waiting for me?
Are you waiting for me?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing?
watching?
Because it makes me laugh.
Because it makes me laugh.
Because it makes me laugh.
Who is singing?
Who is singing?
Who is singing?
Our daughter is singing.
Our daughter is singing.
Our daughter is singing.
What are you watching?
What are you watching?
What are you watching?
I am watching television.
I am watching television.
I am watching television.
What are you cooking?
What are you cooking?
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking your favorite food.
I'm cooking your favorite food.
I'm cooking your favorite food.
What are you reading?
What are you reading?
What are you reading?
I'm reading an interesting book.
I'm reading an interesting book.
I'm reading an interesting book.
What are you saying?
What are you saying?
What are you saying?
Pure nonsense.
Pure nonsense.
Pure nonsense.
Are you still eating?
Are you still eating?
Are you still eating?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Who are you traveling with?
Who are you traveling with?
Who are you traveling with?
With my friend.
With my friend.
With my friend.
Which hotel are you staying at?
Which hotel are you staying at?
Which hotel are you staying at?
I'm staying at the most expensive hotel.
I'm staying at the most expensive hotel.
I'm staying at the most expensive hotel.
Where is she going?
Where is she going?
Where's she going?
She is going to the market.
She is going to the market.
She is going to the market.
What are you looking at out the window?
What are you looking at out the window?
What are you looking at out the window?
I'm looking at the plants.
I'm looking at the plants.
I'm looking at the plants.
Are you enjoying the film?
Are you enjoying the film?
Are you enjoying the film?
Yes, a lot.
Yes, a lot.
Yes, a lot.
Are you waiting for a bus?
Are you waiting for a bus?
Are you waiting for a bus?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
I'm waiting for a taxi.
I'm waiting for a taxi.
I'm waiting for a taxi.
Where is he going?
Where is he going?
Where is he going?
He is going on a trip.
He is going on a trip.
He is going on a trip.
Why are you crying?
Why are you crying?
Why are you crying?
Because I'm feeling very sad.
Because I'm feeling very sad.
Because I'm feeling very sad.
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing?
Because I am feeling very happy.
Because I am feeling very happy.
Because I am feeling very happy.
Are your parents watching TV?
Are your parents watching TV?
Are your parents watching TV?
No, they aren't.
No, they aren't.
No, they aren't.
They are sleeping now.
They are sleeping now.
They are sleeping now.
Why are you looking at me?
Why are you looking at me?
Why are you looking at me?
Because you look funny.
Because you look funny.
Because you look funny.
Is she traveling to New York?
Is she traveling to New York?
Is she traveling to New York?
No, she isn't.
No, she isn't.
No, she isn't.
She is traveling to Mexico.
She is traveling to Mexico.
She is traveling to Mexico.
Is it getting dark?
Is it getting dark?
Is it getting dark?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Are you coming to my party on Saturday?
Are you coming to my party on Saturday?
Are you coming to my party on Saturday?
No, I don't have time.
No, I don't have time.
No, I don't have time.
Who are you waiting for?
Who are you waiting for?
Who are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for my parents.
I'm waiting for my parents.
I'm waiting for my parents.
What are you eating?
What are you eating?
What are you eating?
I'm eating spaghetti.
I'm eating spaghetti.
I'm eating spaghetti.
What are you doing now?
What are you doing now?
What are you doing now?
I'm buying clothes.
I'm buying clothes.
I'm buying clothes.
Why are you sweeping?
Why are you sweeping?
Why are you sweeping?
Because the floor is very dirty.
Because the floor is very dirty.
Because the floor is very dirty.
Is Mom sleeping?
Is Mom sleeping?
Is Mom sleeping?
Yes, she is.
Yes, she is.
Yes, she is.
Is Dad working now?
Is Dad working now?
Is Dad working now?
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is.
He is working in his office.
He is working in his office.
He is working in his office.
Is your computer working?
Is your computer working?
Is your computer working?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't.
I'm going to buy a new one.
I'm going to buy a new one.
I'm going to buy a new one.
Are you enjoying the party?
Are you enjoying the party?
Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
Are you waiting for someone?
Are you waiting for someone?
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I'm waiting for my brother.
Yes, I'm waiting for my brother.
Yes, I'm waiting for my brother.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
I'm going to Brazil.
I'm going to Brazil.
I'm going to Brazil.
Why are you doing exercises?
Why are you doing exercises?
Why are you doing exercises?
Because I want to feel healthy.
Because I want to feel healthy.
Because I want to feel healthy.
Where are you going on vacation?
Where are you going on vacation?
Where are you going on vacation?
I'm going to the countryside.
I'm going to the countryside.
I'm going to the countryside.
What sport are you doing?
What sport are you doing?
What sport are you doing?
I am practicing basketball.
I am practicing basketball.
I am practicing basketball.
What are the children doing?
What are the children doing?
What are the children doing?
They are playing in the garden.
They are playing in the garden.
They are playing in the garden.
Are you feeling well?
Are you feeling well?
Are you feeling well?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
I'm feeling great.
I'm feeling great.
I'm feeling great.
What's Enrique doing?
What's Enrique doing?
What's Enrique doing?
He is talking on the cell phone.
He is talking on the cell phone.
He is talking on the cell phone.
Are you eating a lot of sweets lately?
Are you eating a lot of sweets lately?
Are you eating a lot of sweets lately?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Thanks
For watching.